Welcome to another episode of The Driveway Mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how to install an exhaust pipe on your car or van. The tools you will need for this job are a Canon WD-40, a drill with wire wheel attachment or wire brush, various spanners, exhaust assembly paste, various pipe clamps, new gaskets, paper towel and gloves. Start by spraying WD-40 in all nuts, bolts and exhaust hangers that you are wanting to remove. Ideally this should be done the night before to allow the WD-40 time to penetrate in through the rust. Now starting with any flange joints, start loosening all exhaust section joiners, usually working methodically from front to back. If you're really lucky, all exhaust section joiners will be off now, but in reality you'll most likely need a hacksaw or grinding disc to cut some more stubborn sections out. Once that's done, simply unhook the hanging exhaust sections from the rubber mountings and remove. Finally, check the rubber mountings and their condition, as they can sometimes be reused if they're in a good enough condition. When fitting a new exhaust section, simply repeat the removal process. Start by hanging all the new exhaust sections by their rubber mountings. Once all the exhaust sections are hung, get all the needed clamps in place and start lubing up the sections with the jointing paste. Remember, all bolts are only to be finger tight at this point. This is to allow movement whilst jointing other sections of the exhaust. Once the final sections have been jointed, now it's time to check the alignment, then move methodically from front to back, tightening all nuts, bolts to their correct torque specs. These can be found in your driver's manual or on the internet. Start the engine and leave it at idling revs for at least 15 minutes. This is to heat the exhaust and therefore cure the jointing paste. Do not rev the engine. The extra exhaust gas pressure could blow out the wet paste and cause a leak before any airtight seal can be formed. Once the exhaust paste is cured, use a tissue to check for leaks in the joints. The tissue is very light and will easily be moved by any exhaust leaks. Start at the front and work your way to the back. If the tissue isn't affected at any of the joint, that's it, job's done. Lower your vehicle back off the axle stands and go make a cup of tea. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw, please remember to like and subscribe to the Drive Home Mechanic channel.